LG Electronics on Thursday announced the launch of its latest V30S ThinQ and V30S ThinQ in South Korea. Unveiled ahead of Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona, LG's latest smartphones come with AI-focused capabilities. Pricing for the South Korean market has been revealed. LG V30S ThinQ will sport a price tag of KRW 1,048,300, roughly Rs 63,600, and the LG V30S ThinQ has a price of KRW 1,097,800, roughly Rs 66,600. Both phones will be available for purchase in the country through 3 domestic mobile carriers starting March 9. Pricing details for other markets haven't yet been revealed, and can be expected closer to launch in each region. The company will also provide launch benefits such as colored case, transparent case, and screen guard to the first 5,000 customers of the two phones. We will be able to experience new mobile experiences by putting AI technology that enhances convenience of everyday life into the best spec hardware, said Ahn Byung-deok, Mobile Marketing Manager at LG Electronics. LG V30S ThinQ, V30S ThinQ AI features. LG has propositioned the two new phones to arrive with several AI-based features, including the incorporation of artificial intelligence in the phone's camera and voice recognition experience. For this, 2 separate technologies, Vision AI and Voice AI, have been built into the UI. Vision AI comes with 3 main highlights: QLens, Bright Mode, and AI Cam. On the other hand, Voice AI has been created to run apps and modify settings using voice commands. It works with Google Assistant as well. LG V30S ThinQ, V30S ThinQ specifications. The only apparent difference between the two smartphones is that the V30S ThinQ has twice the inbuilt storage, 256 GB, compared to the V30S ThinQ, 128 GB. Both phones run Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, sport a 6-inch QHD+, 1440x2880 pixels, OLED FullVision display, are powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 SoC, and have 6 GB of RAM. Camera specifications on the smartphones comprise a dual camera setup on the back with a 16-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel wide-angle sensor. On the front is a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera for selfies and video calling. There is a 3300 mAh battery, under the hood, that supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology.